Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, features, and performance of these two popular gaming motherboards. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is designed for AMD Ryzen processors, offering a budget-friendly option with solid performance. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus supports Intel's latest CPUs and includes advanced features like Wi-Fi 6E and faster LAN connectivity. Let's find out which motherboard is the right choice for you. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd Gen Ryzen processors, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer AMD's lineup. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial, as it determines which processors you can use for your build. If you're an AMD fan, the ASUS board is the way to go, while Intel enthusiasts will find the MSI board more suitable. When it comes to memory, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS utilizes DDR4 RAM, which is widely available and generally more affordable. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus supports the newer DDR5 RAM, which offers improved performance but comes at a higher price point. This distinction is essential for budget-conscious builders and those looking for the latest technology. If you're aiming for high performance and are willing to invest, the MSI board's DDR5 support is a significant advantage. Networking capabilities are another critical factor in our comparison. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features a standard 1 gigabit LAN, which is adequate for most users. However, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus steps it up with a 2.5 gigabits LAN connection and built-in Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This makes the MSI board a better option for gamers who require high-speed internet for online gaming and streaming. Overall, if connectivity is a priority for your setup, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance for AMD processors, the ASUS board is an excellent choice. However, if you want the latest Intel support, faster networking, and advanced features, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.